Good evening, candidates. This is for State Bank of India CBO interviewees. Also useful for Karnataka Bank Limited interviewees. As per RBI guidelines, target for loans to priority sector for regional rural banks is 75% of the total outstanding. 75% of the total outstanding. As per RBI guidelines, the target for loans to weaker sections for RRBs is 15% of the total outstanding regional rural banks. As per RBI guidelines, the limit for bulk deposit for regional rural banks is 15 lakhs and above. Next is a very interesting question for credit people. Please go through the question. A firm is sanctioned a limit of rupees 1.40 lakh at 30% margin. It wants to avail the limit fully. How much should be the value of security that it has to offer? It wants to avail a limit of 1.40. So it has to offer 2 lakh security. On 2 lakh security, 30% margin if you subtract, it will be what? 60,000 will go. So balance 1.40 it can take. Supposing it gives 3 lakhs worth of security also, it will get the same 1.40 lakh. That is the concept of margin. But on the other hand, if they have a balance of say only 1 lakh margin, 1 lakh only stock of the goods, then allowing 30% margin, they can draw only 0.70 lakh. Could you follow this? Very nice. Bank officers will know this. Statutory liquidity ratio of provisions for banks are as per section 24 or 2 of Banking Regulation Act 1949. Within priority sector target of 40% of ANBC or CEOBE, 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 CEOBE. Whether I'm unable to make it out, doesn't matter. Maybe we will get it afterwards. Yeah. CEOBE, whichever is higher, the sub-target of weaker section for banks is 10% of ANBC, that is adjusted net bank credit, or CEOBE, whichever is higher. Compliance under COPRA should be dealt within where no testing commodities is required. The answer is 90 days. The extent of coverage under CGT MSE for micro units up to rupees 5 lakhs is 85% with maximum amount of claim up to rupees 4.25 lakhs. EEFC, export earners foreign currency, maximum retention in foreign currency is 100%. When people export money, export goods, they get foreign exchange, they can retain maximum of 100% of their exports. Packing credit facility is available in which type of letter of credit? The answer is a red clause letter of credit. When a red clause letter of credit is opened in favor of our exporter, our banks in India will offer packing credit facility to the exporter, because based on the letter of credit they can negotiate the document on export. Outstanding in a cash credit account is rupees 2 lakhs. One of the partner died and the operations were continued in the account by the bank. in spite of notice of death given to the bank. Later, rupees 2.50 lakh was deposited and rupees 1 lakh was withdrawn. What is the liability of the legal heirs of the deceased partner? The answer is nil as per Clayton's rule. It is also known as rule in Clayton's rule. Sorry, rule in Clayton's law. Clayton's rule of law, something. Rule in Clayton's rule, yeah. Here what happens? First credit goes towards adjusting first debit. Before the death of the partner, account had 2.50 debit balance. After the 2 lakhs balance. After the death of the partner, further credits have come to an extent of 2.50 lakh. Further debits have come for 1 lakh. So these credits that have come will go towards adjustment of the liability of the estate of the deceased. PMLA and FEMA are monitored by Enforcement Directorate. When rate of interest is expressed by adjusting the impact of inflation, this is called a real rate of interest. Rate of interest is expressed by adjusting the impact of inflation. This is called a real rate of interest. RBI keeps on changing reverse repo rate, CRR, with the objective of what? Regulation of liquidity to control inflation. What is the periodicity for submission of or returns to RBI? Fortnightly, every 15 days. Or returns are returns submitted by authorized branches for foreign exchange. Authorized dealers, their branches, authorized branches, foreign exchange, they will submit to RBI. The facility of nomination is not available to trust account because it is a non-individual account. Only in respect of individuals, they are eligible for nomination. That nomination can also be made in name in favor of only one person. Excepting it is a joint locker, the nomination can be for two people. Banks are required to make a provision on standard assets at the rate of 0.25% on direct agriculture and SME accounts. A person wants to open an account which his wife should be able to operate only after his death. What type of account should he open? The answer is farmer or survivor. That is, where an account is opened in the name of farmer, husband, survivor, wife. Only after the death of the farmer, survivor, namely wife, can operate. If the account is made either or survivor during the lifetime of the farmer also, the account can be operated by survivor. Both husband and wife can operate. Certificate of incorporation refers to what? A birth certificate for a company issued by Registrar of Companies. Hypothecation is defined where is Section 2N of SARFAESI Act. Hypothecation is the charge created on movable assets, like say goods stored in a shop, movable, or car, scooter, auto, lorry, like that. Negative lien refers to an undertaking given by the company not to create any charge, not to get the assets encumbered to any other bank during the currency of bank borrowings. When banks give advances to limited companies on the security of some of their assets, maybe mortgage or hypothecation, they take this negative lien letter so that they undertake not to create charge in favor of others as long as this loan is outstanding. When a guarantor, on payment of all dues of principal debtor, gets the right of um, which right of that of a creditor? The answer is subrogation. Subrogation means entering into the shoes of the other person. A rating of bank is carried on by RBI on Camel's criteria. What do C stand for? Capital adequacy. Bank is not required to produce original book of records, but true copy can be submitted when court has demanded as per which act. It is known as Bankers Book Evidence Act. This point came because when some court case is going on, the ledger cannot be carried on. In those days, manual ledgers were there. They cannot be carried on to the court because further transactions will have to be taken place in the bank branch. Yeah. To improve current ratio of 2 is to 1, what has to be done? The answer is decrease the bills payable. This is the answer. So these are the points that I would like to cover under this. This These points are very useful for, say, SBI, CBO interviewees. Please go through this. Those who have worked in credit, you get to know more details about credit also. That will help you a lot. Best wishes.